Hey everybody, Preston Smith with 719 Heroes at Sellstate Alliance Realty. We are out here at the Country Club of Colorado with the incredible Miss Nicole Magic of the Police Foundation of Colorado Springs. And we're going to be talking about the Badges and Bogeys golf tournament.
We are a nonprofit. Our sole mission is to support the Colorado Springs Police Department. And one way we're doing that is having our first annual Badges and Bogeys golf tournament. It is Monday, August 19th here at this beautiful golf course. What's really cool about this golf tournament is that every sponsor gets to bring 3 of their players, and the 4th one is an officer from the police department. Primary mission, besides raising money for the police department, is to engage the community with our officers.
Explain some of the other things that the foundation supports and does.
I'm really proud of our program with the medical trauma kit. They've saved lives of citizens and police officers. We've actually had doctors that have said that had they not had the care with these medical trauma kits, they wouldn't have made it from the incident to the hospital alive. So we issue one to every officer when they graduate, but we also resupply everything they use. And you'd be surprised how much is used on a daily basis. And so it is our biggest program that we have. And it's really an important program to us.
So Nicole, tell me a little bit about the scholarships that you guys help with.
So we actually have what's called the Chief Myers Scholarship Fund. And so we actually give out scholarships to dependent kids of employees, not just officers, employees of the department, and it's for higher education. And it doesn't matter what field they're going to go into. So it's a joy to give out scholarships to kids just to see how they grow from there. One thing I want people to know is the money goes to Police Foundation of Colorado Springs, not the city, because we're there to actually fill those gaps that the city budget can't cover.
So Nicole, for all those wonderful people who want to sign up and want to sponsor, how do they do that?
On our website, pfcos.org. You can't miss it. It says events, golf tournament, the registration, super easy.
So we'll also have a link on our 719 Heroes Facebook pages and websites and everything like that, and our Sellstate Alliance Realty and what's needed sponsorship-wise.
I would love to have 20 more teams, which is 20 more foursomes, or actually threesomes. You can also do whole sponsors as well. But we really want to get you out here to play golf with our officers.
Right. And that community awareness of bringing folks together and understanding what the foundation does and what these amazing officers do for us every single day of their lives. That's what brought us in here to be sponsors. And you guys have an incredible day. And thank you for everything you do.
Thank you very much.